Hello everyone. Thanks for joining my channel, RP Guru Tech Talk. This is Renu Prasad. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to watch more fun videos and also get updated when new videos are uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much.
Today's video, I'll walk you through how to create a custom object and custom fields manually. So first click on Object Manager and say Create Custom Object. Any object which doesn't come out of the box is you have to create a custom object. So it's not a otherwise the out of the box Salesforce objects are called standard objects. And I'm creating a label. The label and the plural label can be the same. And then I give a description. If you see, the object name has underscores between the three words I had in the label. It's automatic. You can change it to anything you want. I also put a description, and then right now I'm trying to put a particular value that is automatically stored, or I can do that. Or right now I'll just, for sample sake, I'll just say channel subscriber name, just for namesake. But the ideal thing would be an ID automatically generated internally, so that whenever a new record is inserted, it automatically generates an ID. So if you see, you can check all the boxes that you want to track. These are the features which you want to automatically enable. So allow reports, allow activities, and stuff like that. So, and then you say deployed. Basically, you want this object to be available for use. So if you say in development, you cannot access it, but when you say deployed, it's accessible. So if you see the object is created, then click on fields and relationships. It's automatically created three fields by default, and also added the field I wanted to track automatically. So now I'm creating a new field, which is a text field. The text field, I'm going to name it now. And let me give a name. I'm going to call it, let's say, description. So then the length, I would just, let's see, I would just say 18 maybe, or 50. It's a text field. I want to capture 50 characters, and then hit next. And then you say who all can access this field. So it's automatically picked up some profiles to be able to access this. So, and it also defaults to a layout of the object, a page layout, and so that field is added. So in a similar fashion, you can add the next field. So I create the next one. So I have the description, which is a text field for 50 characters, and now I'm going to create another field. Let's see what we want to use the data type of. So it's ideally you can create fields on the fly as and when you require, but the initial set of fields would be which you were sure going to use for your object. You have to define it. So I'm clicking on date. This is a date field I want to capture. This is the field where I want to show when a particular a person subscribed to my channel. So this is actually a custom object I'm creating to show to capture the subscriber information who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. This is then, so subscription date was when that particular user subscribed to my channel. The next one, I want to create a new field, and I say checkbox. So it's almost like a boolean where yes or no kind of, or true or false kind of a thing. So I'm calling it subscribed with a question mark. I can in the field labels I can put these kind of words and characters. So I am saying this is a checkbox to say if a user signed up to or subscribed to my channel or not. So I leave the defaults as it is, and also say leave it on the page layout. It's added that new field. So we have about 7 fields now. So let's see. So I'm going to change, if you remember, I put a default subscriber name. I'm going to change that to subscriber ID and also make it to auto number, basically meaning that I want to capture the value. Whenever new record is entered, it automatically generates a number for it. It starts with 1, for instance. And I'm creating my next field. In my next field, I'm going to put a label saying subscriber name, right? Because I changed the other one to an ID. So now I have subscriber name, and I'm going to say 30 characters. Name of the person could be 30 characters, and say next, and leave the defaults as is, and close this. So just say next, next, and save. So we have about 8 fields out there, and we are all set. So now we have the object and the fields, and also if I go, I mean, then the other thing is this will not be visible in your home screen. When I search for it, it will not be there. So there's one more step I need to do. I need to create a tab for this new object. So basically, so then before I do that, I just check the field security for this. So if you see, I'm making sure everything is accessible for which profiles have access to it. Now I go to, let me go to home screen and then click on search, type in tab, and I say click on tabs, and then I'm going to search some, it's a custom object. So I'm saying new on the custom object, and pick up RP Guru Tech Talk, the one I just created, and assign a tab style. It can be anything. So I pick up any random tab style, and then enable it. So once I do that, I hit next, and making sure it's default on for every profile. You can leave that on as it is default. Hit next, and we are all set, saying it is showing which all profiles have access to it, this particular tab. So we are all set. So when I go to the 12 dots there and say search for the RP Guru Tech Talk tab, now it will find it. Hope this helps you to create a custom object and fields. Talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.